It's Jimmy Boquet's Automotive. It's my husband's name. He eventually wants to change it to maybe like Boquet's Automotive or just something easier to say, right? But I'm like, but everybody knows you. We're in a small town in a rural area, and we have no sign, and that's the amazing part. You know, our customer base is personable. You know, they're not just a number of my customers. You know, I'm close with a lot of my customers. You know, we've been through marriages and deaths and kids growing up. You know, and so I love what I do. I'm Christa Boquet, and I'm owner of Jimmy Boquet's Automotive in Schriever, Louisiana. We've had Shop Boss since 2019, and I jumped on board and said, okay, let's do it, and been happy. I love that I can send them the digital with pictures, and they can kind of see what I'm talking about as far as if a part is broken or if something's leaking. A lot of them are surprised. They've never heard of it. I had one lady, she said, I've never seen the underneath of my car ever in my life. To me, I'd rather tell somebody, look, this is worn, even if you can't afford to fix it, at least you know about it. I think that just adds another level of trust, because I'm willing to show them what I'm talking about. Instead of me saying, you need $5,000 worth of work all at once. You can show them, okay, look, you know, this is like a process. You can do this in steps. You know, it kind of helps sell. It's an easy sell is when you see something visually.